Powered by Plascon, today's Handy Heroes comes from Shaves Ballito in KZN.
Welcome to Shaves Ballito. We are situated in the northern part of Natal on the north coast. We are positioned here because there's a lot of development that goes up the north coast, and that is from Ballito all the way up to Zinkwazi and further, and it is an expanding area in Natal. We pride ourselves on our customer service. Everything is about customer service, and our staff are very friendly. They're always helpful. They take people through what they want in color and advice. We're very different in the aspect of we are connected to our customers. We want them to be part of the Shave family, and that's what really is different or differentiates ourselves from the rest. We're going to talk about a couple of products here. The first being the plaster primer. This is a high-end plaster primer. It is essential that surface preparation be done the correct way. Then you would put a plaster primer on first. You'd allow that to dry for a minimum of 5 hours, and then you would go to an external product, Wall and All. Wall and All is a smooth satin finish. It is washable. It covers further, and it has a very good UV tolerance. So this is a DIY tip for brushes and rollers. All you need to do with these is that you can soak that in warm water for a day, and that'll expand the wood, which will hold the brush bristles in place. Think, create, paint at Shaves.
Handy Heroes, powered by Plascon. Together, we've got this.
South Africans know tough. It's built into our DNA. We know how to outweather and outlast the harshest conditions. When the cracks start to show, we go the extra mile. Our strength is legendary. Our resilience, iconic. And despite the odds, we know what gets the job done. Micatex, strong enough to endure anything.